Welcome to a complete walkthrough on how to set up your Flodesk account. I am going to create a new account and set everything up from scratch to show you how everything works. So I've just set up a new Flodesk account on a free trial, and once you verify your email address, this is the next screen that you come to. This is just an example, so I'm just going to click whatever. Let's say I do home decor. Physical products, that will be for that. So this is one thing that I love about Flodesk is their amazing template library. It's really easy to customize. These are just some of them here. We will come back to that in a moment, so let's just click Flodesk. So normally when you log in, this is what you see. This is where all of your emails will be. So up the top here you've got emails. These are ones that you send out regularly. Forms. Now forms is where you can create a link in bio or an opt-in form for people to sign up to your email list. Workflows are where you set up rules, so when somebody subscribes then they get sent an email with a free offering or a discount code or whatever you want, a welcome to your email list, whatever you'd like that to be. And I'm going to go through each of these individually soon. This is just a very quick overview. Checkouts, where you can sell your products. So they have a whole lot of templates again that you can create a checkout for. I will again go through that. Audience. Now audience, this is where all of your subscribers are. Customers is a separate tab filter where you can see people who have purchased items from you. And then segments, this is where you create or can create separate email lists for people. So say you would like a main list where people get sent out a freebie or a discount code or whatever it is. So we can create a new segment called main list. You can pick a color, press save, and then you could create another segment called digital offer. I'll make it a different color. This is a really great way to separate out who you're sending emails to, so that in the future when you start sending out emails regularly, you could send them to everyone, all of your subscribers. You could send them to the people who have signed up for your discount code, freebie, whatever it is on your main list. You can also separate that out just to send to people who have purchased a digital offer or whatever from you in the past, so you could send out an email directly to them with a slight upsell or a special offer for them because they've purchased this one thing. It's a really cool way to separate things out. And then analytics, obviously there won't be anything in here now because we don't have anyone set up in here. So that is a general overview on where everything is in Flodesk. The next thing you're going to want to do once you've set up your account is to set up all of your branding. So over here top right, come down to overview. Your account email is here. You can put your name here. You can set up a custom Flodesk handle. So this might be TechTok@myflodesk.com. Time zone, you can pick a time zone there, and this is where you can change your password as well. Next step down over here is your email setup. So you can add in here TechTok, whatever you'd like yours to be. And we can go down to domain. So if you have a custom domain, you can add your domain here and then click through to verify your domain. It's super easy. Doesn't matter who you're hosting with. It's quite straightforward. It used to be a lot more complicated, but this is a lot easier now. I just did it the other day. Checkout setup on the left. So I will go over the Stripe integration and a couple of snags that I've seen with that in a separate video. Terms and conditions, this is a great template that they have on Flodesk here. You can read through it, edit, whatever you'd like, but basically when you're setting up your sales pages. In the checkout, you can set it up so people have to agree to your terms and conditions. So if that's a digital product, you might want to consider what your refund policies are, things like that. So this is where you edit that. Down here, branding, you can upload your logo and then that'll automatically pull through into your emails. You can add your brand colors here. You can upload custom fonts, add your company details, your links to your social media, and then once you've paid for Flodesk, you can turn off the Flodesk branding. Otherwise, sometimes at the bottom of your emails and things it says made with love and Flodesk. Not a big deal, but personally I turn that off. Down on the left here, opt-in settings. So this is where you can edit just generic, success pages of what that looks like. Integrations. So Flodesk, one thing I really love about Flodesk is they are continuously making things easier and easier. It used to be really hard to integrate a lot of these things together. Now it's quite a bit easier, so there's that. And then down the bottom here, plans and billings. So this is where you can edit your plans. And down here, share Flodesk. So this is where you can find your referral link to share it with a friend. I've popped mine in the description below. If you'd like to try Flodesk for free, I have a link below. It also gives you 50% off your first whole year with Flodesk. So get those savings, give it a go. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments and I will answer them as best I can.